Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
2007. Since first hitting the market in 2007, Beauty Blender has sold well over 6.5 million sponges. Each sponge retails for around $20. Do a bit of quick math. That means $130 million in sales. 17 May 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1922. In 1922, a man by the name of Stephen Poplawski decided to place a spinning blade at the bottom of a tall container. He used his new invention to make soda fountain drinks. This initial blender drew the interest of another inventor, Fred Osius, who decided to see what improvements he could make to it. 25 January 2019.
Take our lead.
Ray Ann Silva. It all started with Ray Ann Silva, a Latina makeup artist turned businesswoman. The popularity of the Beauty Blender cannot be overstated. It sold 9 million the past year and over 50 million since 2009. September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.